Cash App limits, sending money like a boss or not. Ever find yourself needing to send some cash to a friend, but worried Cash App might rain on your financial parade? Fear not, fellow phone flingers. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Cash App sending limits. Imagine this, it's payday, and you owe your roommate that epic share of the rent you forgot about. Whoops. You whip out your phone, open Cash App, ready to settle the score. But then, dread. A mysterious message pops up saying you've reached your limit. Frustration sets in. Is there a daily limit on Cash App? Well, buckle up, because the answer is, not exactly. Cash App operates on a rolling 30-day period system for sending money. That means you can technically send up to $1,000 within that time frame. But hold on, there's more to the story. The unverified struggle. Cash App treats unverified accounts with a cautious hand. If you haven't gone through the identity verification process, which involves providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number, then you're stuck with a much lower limit, a mere $250 every 7 days. That's right, 7 measly days. Not exactly ideal for those urgent financial situations. The verification advantage. But fear not, verification warriors. Once you conquer the verification process, those limits loosen up significantly. Verified accounts enjoy a much more generous sending limit of $7,500 per rolling 30 days. That's a world of difference, opening the door for smoother money movement. So, what's the catch? Now, before you start picturing yourself sending mountains of cash with reckless abandon, there are a few things to consider. These limits are there for a reason, to prevent fraud and keep your hard-earned money safe. Cash App also monitors for suspicious activity. If you try to send a large amount of money for the first time, they might put a temporary hold on your account to make sure everything's legit. It's just their way of looking out for you and themselves. Beyond sending, other Cash App limits. While we're on the topic of limitations, let's address the elephant in the room, your Cash App balance. Unverified accounts are restricted to a maximum balance of $1,000. Once you verify, this limit disappears, allowing you to store as much cash as you see fit. There's also the question of withdrawing your hard-earned money. Cash App allows verified users to withdraw up to $1,000 from their balance within a 7-day period, using an ATM. Again, unverified accounts get the short end of the stick with a $250 weekly withdrawal limit. Maximizing your Cash App prowess. Alright, knowledge is power. Here are some tips to navigate Cash App's limitations like a pro. Verify your account ASAP. This unlocks the true potential of Cash App and saves you the headache of dealing with lower limits. Plan ahead for large transactions. If you know you need to send a significant amount of money, consider verifying your account beforehand to avoid any delays. Break down large transactions. If you absolutely must send more than $7,500 in a 30-day period, consider splitting it up into smaller, more manageable transfers. Explore alternatives. For truly large sums of money, Cash App might not be the most efficient option. Consider using a bank transfer or a money transfer service with higher limits. Cash App limits, the final verdict. Cash App sending limits can feel restrictive, especially for unverified accounts. But the verification process is quick and painless, and the benefits are undeniable. With a verified account, you have plenty of flexibility to send and receive money for most everyday needs. Remember, Cash App is a great tool for managing your finances, but understanding its limitations is crucial. With a little planning and some strategic maneuvering, you can make Cash App work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.